the spirit of spring, I'm going to be putting these little dead flowers inside this frame. This bouquet is from a wedding or reception, and it's just dried and dead right now. Look how beautiful this is. I don't know why I love dead flowers. Hope it works. Oh. I literally heard the crunch. Oh, it works. I'm pretty sure that's pollen. Like, I can see pollen. When I think of spring, I think of flowers. That's why I was thinking of making flower art. The saying is actually April shower bring me flowers. Basically, Toronto just becomes Vancouver. It reminds me of puddles on the floor on a nice day. But every other day, it's just muddy. I think this is gonna be quick because there's not a lot of surface on this. The whole flower just fell off. Holy. Yeah, I'm surprised that there's pollen on this. They're literally dead, but I guess it's not just gonna disintegrate. The color scheme is like so sad. My boyfriend has pollen allergies. He gets headaches. His sinus is always clogged. It's sad because then I don't get flowers because he's allergic. Just say you don't love me, you know? Can you hear the crackling? I want a rose in here. I think I'm done. Actually kind of cool. Whoa! This looks like lily pads. That was so fast. I feel bad for whoever is allergic to pollen. You can see the pollen. I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend. Spring is about freshness. It's literally snowing right now. This is actually how the plants and grass looks outside right now. So it's pretty close. I'm gonna try playing the songs I've generated using my Python music generator. Oh wait, these are edited. We're bad at editing. Yeah, that was it. Hello, spring.